the NEET knots and traps for 2026 NEET. Molecular tools. Helicase RNA polymerase. Helicase involved in unwinding of the DNA during its replication. And RNA polymerase helps in unwinding of the DNA during transcription. Deoxynucleotide ribonucleotide. Deoxynucleoside triphosphate or deoxynucleotide diphosphate act as a substrate for replication. Ribonucleoside triphosphate or ribonucleotide diphosphate are substrate or raw material for transcription process. DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase. DNA polymerase involved in polymerization of deoxynucleotide. RNA polymerase involved in polymerization of ribonucleotides. Next. Nucleases, restriction endonucleases. Nucleases are general enzymes, DNAases, RNAases, which cut DNA or RNA at a random site. But restriction endonucleases belongs to endonucleases, but which cuts the DNA at precise, that is the required sequences. Restriction endonucleases. The name restriction endonucleases as it got because it restricts the multiplication of viruses in case of Escherichia coli. The Escherichia coli developed a defense system against invasion of the viruses by methylating its own DNA, protection from its own restriction endonuclease. So restriction endonuclease do not recognize the bacterial DNA, so bacterial DNA got well protected. And viral DNA, as it is not methylated, it will be cleaved by the enzyme. You are calling it as restriction endonucleases, as it restricts the multiplication of viruses. So many such the traps and knots in case of the further sessions.